Life with Tab is the place to be. It's your girl Tab. What? Yeah, that's me. What is up, Tab fam? Welcome back to my channel. If you have not subscribed already, here's what you do. Go ahead and subscribe, hit that like button, and make sure you comment down below if you like this video. Okay, so in today's video, we will be talking about how to remove skin tags. And I'm going to show you how I remove my skin tag naturally with just a few ingredients that I had inside my house. So if you're ready for the video, let's get into it. Here we go. Okay, so for this particular DIY, you will need a pair of scissors to cut the tape. You will need cotton balls. You will need nursing tape, or I like to call it like syringe type tape. So you will need that. You will need a Band-Aid or some Band-Aids, and also apple cider vinegar. I mean, you could use organic apple cider vinegar or any type of apple cider vinegar. I of course am using Great Value apple cider vinegar. So what you will do is you will take a piece of cotton ball and you will tear a piece of the cotton ball and make sure you get like just maybe a small piece. This is probably good, or something around this size, or maybe smaller. Then you would get your apple cider vinegar. I can open it up. You will get your apple cider vinegar and you will pour some into the cap, maybe just a little bit into the cap, just a little bit. And then you will soak it, cotton ball, and then you want to squeeze it like so, just kind of to get the excess liquid out, because you don't want it really soaking. You don't want it soaking on your skin, because it will burn, which is the reason why it removes the tag. So you want to get that, and you kind of want to put it to the side. For those of you who sweat a lot, I know I do sometimes when I'm sleeping. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get a Band-Aid and I'm going to tear the Band-Aid off. And use a Band-Aid, and I'm going to put the Band-Aid on. I'm going to make sure I put the cotton ball on the tag, then I'm going to put the Band-Aid on, then I'm going to cut the tape and then tape it. Okay, let me do that and I'll get right back to you. So this is how I wrapped it up myself. You don't have to wrap it up this much if you don't want to. Of course, I sleep pretty wild, so yeah. So it's definitely, I definitely have to make sure it's secure. So I just decided to wrap it twice along with the Band-Aid that's underneath it. And as you can see, it's like the cotton ball is kind of bulging out, so I kind of wanted to make sure it was kind of secure so it won't fall out while I'm sleeping. So yeah, excuse my bonnet and my silk pajamas. It is bedtime, so yeah. I will be leaving this on overnight, and I will let you know what it looks like in the morning. Okay, so this is day one or night one. I'll see you guys tomorrow in the morning. Bye-bye.
The next morning.
Okay, so it is the next morning and I have taken off my Band-Aid. And as you can see, it's kind of red around where the tag is, but it looks darker. If you can see up close, it looks a little darker and a little flattened than what it was before I put the cotton ball and the tape on top of it with the Band-Aid. So it looks a little bit darker, as you can see right here. And when you touch it, it feels a little bit tender. So be careful. Someone said something about putting Vaseline on it. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. It did tingle a bit it did tingle a bit at night before I went to bed. And also when I woke up this morning and took it off, it had a slight tingle to it. So I would assume that that means it's working. Yeah, so this is the next day and this is how it looks. I will get back with you tonight and we'll see what the day brings. Okay, bye guys.
6 hours later.
Okay, y'all, I know this is random and I am in my car, but this, if you can see it, this is the tag, skin tag that I had on my neck. And it just, I was messing with it because it was kind of irritating my skin. And it just kind of came off. Okay, so I'm not sure if you can see it, but this is where the skin tag is. Right there. And there's like some pussy looking stuff or whatever that is coming out of it. If you can see it, I'm not sure if you can. Yeah, it's like some pussy looking stuff coming out of it, but yeah, it just like fell out. So yeah, so guys, it really works. I'm gonna make sure I put some like cocoa butter or some type of Vaseline or whatever on it, on my face, on my skin. But y'all, it came off. Excuse my hair, today is wash day, so that is crazy, right? Okay, so yeah, that was the skin tag that I was telling you guys about, that I put the apple cider vinegar on and let it sit overnight. That's what happened, y'all. What? Oh my God. Now I'm gonna have to do another one. I have this other one right here that I'm gonna do, and I'm gonna show you guys what my result is with that. But oh my God, that's so awesome. So if you don't believe me about this apple cider vinegar and naturally removing tags, this literally only happened within a day, like a day, because I let it sit overnight and just let it sit on my skin. But some people, I think, let it sit do it for 2 days and then their tag is off. And sometimes other people would do it and it lasts they do it for a little longer. That was so fast, y'all, and I didn't have to pay for some type of topical cream stuff to put on my skin, or some kind of little pin thing that everybody is talking about, or that I've seen on these different stores or whatever. You don't have to have that. You can just do it naturally with apple cider vinegar. Oh my God, y'all, that is just amazing. Okay, I just want to share that with y'all. So as you can see in the video, that's how I removed my skin tag, only within maybe a day or overnight. And if you want to remove your skin tag, feel free to use ingredients that I have listed down below. I looked up other people's videos, and a lot of other people have used this remedy, so it definitely is a win-win for you, and you don't have to go and spend an arm and a leg on trying to get skin tags removed. So I just want to do a DIY myself on removing skin tags with apple cider vinegar. So I hope that this video has helped someone and you can use this video to get rid of your skin tag. As always, guys, I just want to say thank you so much for visiting my channel and joining my channel every week. And if you have not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you'll know every single time I upload a new video. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you guys next week with some more useful information. It's your girl Tab. Peace.